Top 5 must-visit places in Texas: Big Bend National Park, a breathtaking desert landscape with dramatic canyons, hiking trails, and stunning views of the Rio Grande. Hamilton Pool Preserve, a natural swimming hole with a cascading waterfall formed from a collapsed underground river. San Antonio River Walk, a vibrant historic riverside path lined with restaurants, shops, and cultural landmarks. Palo Duro Canyon, the second largest in the US, known for its red rock formations and scenic drives. The Alamo, one of Texas's most famous historical sites, famed for the 1836 battle for Texan independence. Thank you.